Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the FMS Sky Trainer 182 again. This will be the second time this plane has ever flown. Well, second trip, but the first time I flew it, I think I flew her twice. Well, maybe, no, just one time. So yeah, this is the second time this plane has ever flown. So we're gonna see what we can do. She's a 1400 millimeter, in other words 1.4 meter wingspan, and tricycle gears, so good for ground handling. She got LEDs, flaps. The front nose gear is suspension. Just a good flying plane. Now, she is meant to be a trainer. So
landing flaps.
I can see that light's good in that pass.
Flaps up.
All right, let's see if we can do a no flap landing here. Staying on the rudder. Not the best, but I was coming in a little hot. All right, we're gonna do takeoff flaps this time. Nice scale takeoff.
Landing flaps.
And this time we will use the landing flaps. Out of the power completely, actually. Not bad.
Flaps up.
Not bad at all. Let's get her turned around here. We're going to do takeoff flaps.
Flaps up.
Now this is very much a scale bird. So you want to fly her scale. Mainly because, I mean, you can risk it, and there's lots of people have it and say, well, I do all kinds of flips and rolls and stuff with her, and yeah, she'll do those things. I'm just overly cautious because she has a very short wing spar in her. So for that reason, and I don't like to push the envelope, you know, so to speak, with this plane. This is the second time I have ever had this plane. I bought it years ago, back when it was first released, when this blue version first came out.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
And with this blue version, so which I don't remember when that was, probably about maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and flew the dog mess out of her. And but I'll be honest, I just got to missing her. Whoa. All right, we got to do better than that.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
We got to be able to do better than that. No flaps this time. I'm running a Hobby Star. I believe it's a 2700 3-cell in her. She's a 3-cell bird.
Landing flaps.
Okay, that's kind of a shallow approach, or We'll try it from the other direction. Maybe I'll have a little bit better luck.
Flaps up.
And we'll
Takeoff
do
flaps.
takeoff flaps only this time. All right, out of the power, but takeoff flaps only this time. Much better, much better. All right,
Flaps up.
so let's get turned around and we'll try that from the other direction.
Takeoff flaps.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, much better. Much better. Oh, that's such a good looking bird.
Landing flaps.
All right, this time we'll do the same thing, but actually with landing flaps. About maybe a 1/16 throttle. Oh, I think I figured out what I'm doing. I'm letting her touch down too soon. I need to let her roll out, let her fly a little bit lower, a little bit longer before I let her touch down. I think that's what I'm doing. We're going to test that theory, but this time with no flaps at all. So I should be coming in slightly faster. Still better, still better. All right, got enough for one more landing and takeoff. We're gonna land from this direction, or the other direction this time. Because I'm definitely not pushing it with her.
Flaps.
And we will land with takeoff flaps this time. Still not bad. Well, there you go, folks. That is the FMS Sky Trainer 182. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.